If you're selling AI voice agents to clients, but are still stitching together 4 different tools in order to deliver them, you're working way harder than you need to. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to white label AI voice agents in 2026. Over 600 agencies are already using this method to monetize and build agents faster than ever. We're talking about connecting your voice agent platform of choice, whether that's Vappy, Retail, 11 Labs, or any others, all into one unified platform. That platform also includes a fully branded client dashboard and automated billing built into the same tool. This takes no external software, no Airtable, no N8N, no messy webhooks or external connections. All of it is in one place. If you're running an AI agency and you want to start delivering voice agents like a true SaaS, watch until the end. Every appointment-based business is bleeding revenue through missed calls, voicemails that never get returned, and front desks that close at 5 p.m. Look at dental clinics, med spas, home service businesses, and many more. And for many agencies that are offering one of these services, whether it be CRM management, professional marketing, or some sort of other automation work, adding AI agents is just another upsell. But the biggest bottleneck is not selling AI agents, it's being able to deliver it fast and to showcase the value that it can provide for that business within just a couple days. That's exactly what this setup is going to solve. Using this platform shrinks the fulfillment time to deliver these type of AI agents from weeks and months down to just hours. Now, most agencies that are delivering this type of a service today are using 4 to 5 different tools to stitch together this offering. They're using a voice AI platform like Vappy or Retail. They're using N8N or Make to connect their different systems together. They're using Airtable or Notion to make some sort of a client dashboard to show them how the agent is performing. They're using Stripe to bill their client manually every single month. And they might have a separate client CRM that they've connected to populate all of the leads information. Every one of those connections is an individual failure point. Webhooks can break, data can get lost, and when a client is asking you how their agent is performing, you send them a messy Airtable link that is so convoluted and hard to understand all of these issues and puts the solution into one platform. You have an analytics dashboard that your client can reference to see the type of messages and the type of calls that are coming in from that voice AI. There's a visual workflow builder to mimic the usage of N8N or Make to connect your external tools. You have automated usage-based billing, so we have Stripe integration within ChatDash, so you can bill your client automatically every single month for your support or for the usage of the AI agent. And of course, you can build the agent itself within a matter of just minutes. They've made the functionality and all the different complex logic that you had to create when building this voice agent. They've abstracted all of that and made it into pre-built templates where you just have to drag and drop a few things, move a couple buttons, and your agent is ready to go. So ChatDash has Retail AI natively embedded. So if you're using Retail, you can build the agent directly inside of ChatDash. If you're using Vappy, 11 Labs, or another platform, ChatDash operates as an open ecosystem. So you can bring in your agents from other providers and see the performance of them all within one platform. So as an example, we're going to show you how to connect Vappy with your ChatDash account. So here I have my Vappy dashboard, and I have this agent called Real Estate Outbound Lead Qualification. Now this agent has been built and tested and trained and utilized within Vappy. But now that we're using ChatDash, and this is my ChatDash homepage as an agency, and we can go ahead and create a brand new client and create a brand new agent and connect it directly from our Vappy account. So first, let's go ahead and create the agent and bring it directly from Vappy. So we can click Connect External Agent, select Vappy as the platform, and select my integration as Vappy AI. Now, I'll give you a heads up. The reason I was able to do that is because ahead of time, what I did is I copied this private and public API key into the integrations. So if I go to settings and integrations, I have a Vappy AI integration. So let me just do that real fast so you can see what that looks like. So I have my Vappy private API key, copy that. Same thing with the public key, copy that over, connect, and then we have our integration set up. That way, it's really easy when we add an agent, connect external, select VAPI, we select our integration that we just created, and then we have all the agents. As you can see, I have all of the agents that I have in VAPI. I can bring any one of those over into our Chat account. So I have real estate outbound lead qualification. I can click create. It says we'll update your VAPI agent configuration to automatically sync call transcripts into Chat. So that right there is telling you that anytime we use this VAPI agent going forward, it'll be uploaded, the details are uploaded into VAPI, but it will also be brought into Chat. The transcript, the post-call summary, and the details of that call will be tracked in our dashboard. So if we click create, this agent is already here, ready to go. Now let's go ahead and create a new client to connect that VAPI agent to. So I'm just going to create this as real estate agent. Let's say that is our client. And I'm just going to make something up here to create this. I'm going to create a login ID and a member name. So this is like creating a brand new client. If I were to sign on a client here, I would add them right here. And then now that we have this client, we can click assign an agent. And so we assign that real estate agent that we just brought over from VAPI. And so now when we see our assigned agents, this is our VAPI agent. And so now when we use our VAPI agent, again, we will see the summary of that call and everything that went into that call, the analytics of that call into this dashboard here. So within this dashboard, you can customize your analytics page. You can create brand new charts. You can select these different types of charts, look through the data of that call, and then you can summarize. Essentially, this is just a data visualization tool that allows you to create, these type of tables and dashboards that your client can view to understand things like how many qualified leads called, how many calls were urgent, how many calls needed to be passed off to the business owner because of some sensitive questions, how many calls happened during off hours, whatever metrics you want to track, you can do that and create the visualization for those metrics here. If you want to look at actual conversations, you can go to the conversations tab and you'll see the transcripts of past calls. If the client wants to add information about their agent in order to help it perform better, like if they have new business hours or a new address or some common FAQs about their business, they can upload a file here and that adds it to the agent's knowledge base. Also, when a lead calls, they will be added to this leads table right here. We can also run campaigns to call these leads on an outbound manner. We can also add our own custom menu. So if we want to be creative and extend the functionality of this dashboard to our client, we can create some other tools. Like example, we can create like a post-call summary menu table. If we wanted for every call just to show a page that said this was the call and this is the summary of that call, we can create that page here and then start to populate this page with that data. So all of that is a professional dashboard. It's much, much better than Airtable or Notion or any other dashboard that you might be piecing together manually. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this end to end to see how this works. Now that we have our VAPI agent and it's connected to our Chat account, let's go ahead and have a conversation and see how that looks.
Hi, Sean. This is Sarah from Summit Peak Realty. I saw you recently inquired about 123 Pinecrest Avenue. It's a beautiful property. Do you have a quick moment to chat about it?
Yeah, sure.
Great. That home has been getting a lot of attention lately. It's in a fantastic location and has some amazing features, like a spacious backyard and a newly renovated kitchen. Are you currently looking for a new home in the area, or just exploring your options?
Just exploring.
That's totally fine. Many of our clients start out just browsing, and we're here to make the process easier when you're ready. A quick showing can help you decide if this home, or even the neighborhood, is right for you. What do you think? Would you like to schedule a time to see 123 Pinecrest Avenue in person?
Yeah, sure.
Wonderful. How about we set up a showing for this Saturday at 10 a.m.? If that doesn't work for you, just let me know a time that does. This is just an exploratory step. No pressure to commit to anything. It's a great way to see if it feels like the right fit.
Yeah, that works.
Perfect. I'll go ahead and pencil you in for this Saturday at 10 a.m. for a showing of 123 Pinecrest Avenue. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. If anything changes, feel free to reach out. Looking forward to helping you explore your options, Sean. Okay,
so that call just ended in VAPI. Now, let's go ahead and give it just a couple seconds and then reload. So we'll refresh this dashboard and we'll see that it just recorded the call that we had. Now just to confirm that that was the right call, you can see that this was the transcript.
Hi, Sean. I'm Crest Avenue and has someone made the process easier.
So it just brought in the entire conversation, the transcript from the call. In this case, we didn't configure it to add to our leads table, but we can do that separately in Chat itself. But everything about that call that is coming from Vappy is being tracked here in Chat. So that is the full setup. So Chat allows you to deliver a fully professional, fully branded AI voice agent that looks and feels like a true SaaS rather than just a freelance project that you hack together. This is how over 600 AI agencies are already delivering agents for local businesses at scale. And if you want to build this out with your own agency, check out the link below this video for a 7-day free trial to Chat. There's no credit card required. You can have your first agent connected, your dashboard live, and your agent answering calls within just the first 30 minutes. If this was helpful, hit subscribe because we are delivering content on how to build, sell, and scale AI agency services every single week, and we'll continue to put more content out just like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.